Hello everyone, welcome back and welcome to the new subscribers. I just yesterday added this new file to the Nexus BT system, and now in the root I added one for myself from with to test with my database that I already collected lots and lots of candles. So yeah, let's try and run it. So what I actually did is add a multi-confirmation strategy to the strategy folder. So this is what you gotta do. You got to create your own strategy inside that folder. It automatically picks up. You will see this happening now. It automatically picks up the strategy, even though it's a name like this, but it will recognize it and will take it for a ride. So the multi confirmation strategy, high leverage trading with multi-dimensional confirmation, entry requiring trend EMA plus ADX, momentum MACD plus RSI, volatility ADR plus Bollinger Bands, or the OBV confirmation direction. So actually, risk management is at 1.5 to 2.5. ATR typically for BTC safely below the 2.5 liquidation threshold, targets 3 to 5% ADR, max stop at 2% to protect from liquidation, because I do not like to get licked, guys, like I told you. So that's running right now. For now, let's take a look. It's already done a few. I'm over it. So as you can see, it's just coming into your results folder then, and then you'll just have to wait, because I needed a more certain way to trade, so I added the EMA 9, 20, 50, 200, the Bollinger Bands. The volatility index is still here because I love that one. We also have kept the MACD, we added the ADX, the ATR, and the RSI, and now I'm searching for the correct params so I can make better choices, even better than I did before. Because as you can see now, guys, I took a chance on this. Was a little bit higher before, because this one was also in the scope, so add a 14 million to this one and you'll get the number. But it's actually backfiring on me, so I was on 580, so it's not so good for me right now. But hey, we got still smart position sizing. Risk controls are set at 5%. If I see it will revert, but I scheduled one. If there is a million short liquidations, then it will add 5% to the mix. So now the only thing I have to do is wait and see if it reverts, and this is the video what it's all about, showing you guys how to add a strategy. I added my own new BT for only running one symbol on multiple time frames, so you can enjoy this now also, guys, on GitHub. It's here. I added it so you can just clone it, not clone it again, but you can pull it, git pull, and you'll have the updates of the repo. So I hope this is a good thing for you guys, so you can test now also only on BTC. Ensure that you have enough data, and I used lots and lots of data, because I used a little bit of data that we can get from the Quant app, And as you can see, you have 1 day, 6 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes, the 5 minutes, and the 1 minute. So I actually am using that also in the BT system right now. I also made one file for myself, like I told you guys, the run BTC with my database, but I still need to test it out. Um, but let's first see how quickly this one is running right now to show you guys a little bit, but it's only showing me 8 tasks. This is a little bit strange because I have more than 8 tasks here. So I guess I have to dig in the code somewhere else. There is a time frame set. Let's just do it like this. 5 minutes. No, I'll have to look into it. But it is working for me right now, showing me how fast it works with the CPU acceleration. It's a little bit lower because there are less parallel things to run, but still it's working like I want it to work. So now all we have to do is wait and see when it finishes. And then we can go and look for the results and for BTC. So as you can see, up, they're all running, and afterwards I will put my premium package on it in my other project to see if there is a valid winner between them, so I can actually use it to create my signals, so I don't have to rely on myself like I did right now and see it failing, because I do not like to fail. But yeah, we can't all make the right decisions at the right time sometimes, and that's why I needed. Oh, there is an addition, one extra. So everybody's going that way right now, so that's good for me, because when they are going short, it will only add to the shorts. See, there are a few juicy blocks here that are added, so we just have to wait until it reverts. But this candle is worrying me, but not for sure, because this is only the default settings. When I done testing, it will maybe change, but we'll have to see. We'll have to wait for the results to come in. And as you can see, guys, it takes a little while because of the large data sets from the quant app. We're in a run of 8 minutes, so that's pretty fast, I would say. Probably within the 10 minutes it's done for all these time frames. Only one more to go, and I wonder which one. I think the daily will be in it, or the 6 hours. Those are pretty huge data sets. 5 minutes, 6 hours, 15 minutes, one daily, and 1 hour are the biggest data sets I have in this project right now. Because if I use it from the database, yeah, I can give you that code too, this one. But the problem is you don't have the database, so it's not interesting for you guys. It's a daily archiver that is running every day, so I can collect data every day to get datasets like I can find here in the Quant app, but only bigger for myself then. But I think I kept it at 50,000, so I think these datasets are still bigger than mine, so I'll have to pump it up to the double, 100,000. But already there is 11 gigabytes of data in the database, so it's not a small one. I have to keep ensuring that the data is fresh. I have to keep ensuring it grows. Because like for the monthly, I only have 27 candles. You can't run monthly every day and expect it to grow. It only grows with each month. So actually, I have to wait 50,000 months to really reach that goal if I'm still alive. Let's take a look again. We're just over the 10 minutes, so the estimate of time is a little bit off with the large data set. But as you can see, guys, it is still going, processing that big data set. And hopefully with the premium package in my other project, in the Quantai project, I can test it with the premium package, and then we'll find a winner, or else it's back to the drawing board and adapt the strategy a little bit more. I already tried adding more params. Uh, my second guess, it's a little bit too restrictive, but we'll have to wait on that after we see the results. So for now, we're just awaiting the test. So as you can see, guys, it's completed. Average task time 86 seconds. So that's pretty fast. So now I can copy paste this. So what did you all do? The 1 hour, 1 minute, the 2 hour, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 hour. Like I thought, 15 minutes, 13 minutes. Okay, so I just have to copy this one for the other screen. But this is what I wanted to show you guys. I added a new file to the system that only targets one symbol with multiple time frames at your disposal. It first, it's a little bit the same. It first will download the data if it's not stale, or if you don't want to use the staleness, then you just use the CLI to not include it or refresh it. So then you can only do one strategy with one coin, or you can add another strategy to the mix. You can do multiple strategies with one coin. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed the new script, guys. Bye.